In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code in Slack, specifically focusing on how to add a code block. If you're someone who frequently communicates technical details or shares snippets of code with your team, this feature will be extremely useful to ensure clarity and readability. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Slack application. Navigate to the specific team or channel where you want to insert the code. This could be your project's workspace or one of the channels you're collaborating on. If the application is already open, great, you're right where you need to be. If not, go ahead and log in, making sure to select the appropriate workspace and channel from the list. Once you're in the channel, keep an eye on the user interface to find the text entry area. This is typically at the bottom of your Slack window. Now, I want you to click on the text box. This is where we will eventually paste our code, but let's make sure we're set up to add a code block first. The text box is your point of entry for all messages and commands, so by clicking on it, you're preparing Slack to receive your input. Moving on, you need to locate the plus icon or any additional option button near the text area. These options are usually tucked alongside the text box. They give you access to various message formatting tools that can enhance how your information is presented. When you click on it, a list of options will pop up. From this list, look for the word code or a symbol that represents code. It might resemble the angle brackets we often see in programming. When you hover over these options, there should be an accompanying tooltip or label to help guide you. Clicking on code transforms your ordinary text box into a format that's specially designed for code input, meaning your text will have the structure and syntax often required for code snippets. Now you're ready to enter your code into the newly formatted text field. Simply type or paste your code snippet there. The formatting should make the text appear in a monospace font, which is easy to read and ideal for collaborative coding environments. This ensures that your code aligns perfectly, spaces are preserved, and your team can effortlessly comprehend each line. After you've done this, double check to see that it appears correctly. If everything looks good, hit the enter or send button and watch as your code is shared in the channel. Anyone in the channel will now see your well-formatted code block, making collaboration seamless and effective. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and shared a code block in Slack. Whether you're troubleshooting bugs, sharing new scripts, or discussing logic with your team, this tool will undoubtedly come in handy. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.